the social situation. The theatre is the spiritual and social x-ray of its time. Good evening to one and all present here on this beautiful evening. I would like to extend a warm welcome to our manager, Reverend Father Errol Fernandez S.J., Father Bosco S.J., Father Augustine S.J., Father Tony S.J., and Father Vinay S.J.
I am glad to welcome our ICSE Principal Ma'am Esther Bansur, our Headmaster Dr. Sir Sanjay Katale, our Pre-Primary Coordinator Ma'am Michelle Narona, and Reverend Sister Sumitra Parmar, RMI. Our teacher educator, Teacher Sharon Miskita, Teacher Geeta Rani Pillai, and Teacher Angela Moses, and you dear parents to witness this mesmerizing, hypnotic, fascinating musical drama.
We are obliged to you all for taking time out to be present here this evening. And to surprise you all this evening, my confident anchors will introduce and give you a short synopsis of our musical drama, King Midas and the Golden Touch. So here we have Avni, Avnish and Riddhi. Please come forward and take over the mic.
Once there was a king named Midas. He was very rich. Rich people are never satisfied, and so was the king. He wanted more and more. The more wealth he had, the more he wanted. He was very fond of gold. He thought if he had a golden touch, he would be the happiest person in the world. So one day he prayed to God to fulfill his desire. At last his wish was granted. Let us see if the king was really happy after his wish was granted.
नमस्कार, मी अवनीश मुरकुटे. मिदास नावाचा एक राजा होता. तो खूप श्रीमंत होता. श्रीमंत लोक कधीच समाधानी नसतात. तसाच हा राजाही समाधानी नव्हता. त्याच्याकडे भरपूर संपत्ती होती, तरी त्याला अजून खूप संपत्ती हवी होती. त्याला सोन्याची फार आवड होती. एकदा त्याच्या मनात एक विचार आला की त्याने स्पर्श केलेली प्रत्येक वस्तू जर सोन्याची झाली तर तो जगातला सगळ्यात सुखी माणूस असेल. एकदा तो देवाला प्रार्थना करतो की माझे सुवर्ण स्पर्श म्हणजेच हात लावेल त्याचं सोनं होऊ दे, ही इच्छा पूर्ण होऊ दे. शेवटी देव त्याची प्रार्थना ऐकतो का? तर मग बघूया राजा खरंच सुखी होतो का? चला तर मग बघूया. इयत्ता तिसरी 1 चे विद्यार्थी सादर करत आहे नाटक राजा मिदास आणि सोनेरी स्पर्श. धन्यवाद.
एक बार मिडास नाम का एक राजा था. राजा बहुत अमीर था. अमीर लोग कभी संतुष्ट नहीं होते हैं. राजा मिडास भी वैसा ही था. राजा ज़्यादा और बहुत ज़्यादा पैसा चाहता था. राजा को सोने का बहुत शौक था. राजा की इच्छा थी कि जो कुछ भी वह छुए वह सोना बन जाए. वह दुनिया का सबसे खुशनसीब इंसान बनना चाहता था. एक दिन उसने ईश्वर से प्रार्थना की कि वह उसकी यह इच्छा पूरी कर दे. अंत में ईश्वर ने उसकी यह इच्छा पूरी कर दी. तो आइए देखिए, क्या राजा अपनी इच्छा पूरी होने के बाद वास्तव में खुश था? Now I hand over the mic to Japji and Somya.
Soumya and I am Japji, and we are going to introduce you all to our cast and crew of a wonderful play, King Midas and the Golden Touch. So here we have Krishna, Arav, Pratik and Arjun as King Midas. Avni Hatwar as King Midas' wife. Arya Zadav as servant. Tanaya, Jainam, Runans, Adve, Avni and Rao as narrators. Saurav as old man and Kavya as old lady. God Dionysius as Ane and Puskar. Dancers as Zed, Ayan, Riddhi, Advika, Aradhya Gaikwad and Aradhya Lokhande. Flowers as Alisa, Avni, Ritesh, Viraj and Swarali. Soldiers as Vihan, Advik, Rifaz, Sriraj, Mallar and Devansh. And finally we have King Midas' daughter as Advika, Deena and Avanti. Thank you.
Very good evening, parents. On behalf of the management, I welcome teacher Sheila Kanwar and Mr. and Mrs. Seal for the show. Thank you so much for coming. So, ladies and gentlemen, sit back and enjoy ear-catching, feet-tapping musical drama that will keep you all spellbound in your seats. Presenting King Midas and the Golden Touch.
Gold, gold, wonderful gold. Whenever I see, I never grow old. Gold, gold, wonderful gold. Whenever I see, I never grow old. Gold, 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 only gold.
the world. I don't care about anything. I just want to have gold, gold, and gold.
Gold, gold, wonderful gold. Whenever I see, I never grow old. Gold, gold, wonderful gold. Whenever I see, I never grow old. Gold, 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 only gold.
Long, long ago in ancient Goldium, never heard of it. It's in the country that now called Turkey. Bad. Then there was a king named Midas, who was the richest man in all the land.
But that wasn't enough for him. He wanted to be richer. That's what got him into trouble.
Every day, King Midas sat in his treasure room counting his gold coins. 1,400,3,470 true. He loved gold more than anything. 1,473.
More than ice cream.
Yes, more than his own daughter Marigold, whom he named for the golden flower. Here she comes now. Father, Father, come see my garden. The roses are blooming. It is such a beautiful day. 1,400,000,000. Oh, Marigold, you made me lose my count. That's all you care about? You hardly will leave this room. Everything I love is here. Then I will leave you to your treasure. Hiding her tears, Marigold runs back to her garden. Oh, my precious golden treasure, you shine brighter than the sun. Even the kingdom always wondered where so much gold can be hidden.
Where do you think our king keeps so much gold? I have no idea. How can someone own so much gold and never show it off? Every day, King Midas kept his gold locked up in his room. The queen was amused, though often jokes about it.
Dear, don't count your gold every day. What if it diminishes just like that? Don't even joke about it. Don't you know how priceless gold is? Look at the golden necklace you are wearing. Isn't it beautiful? See how shiny it is. It is beautiful, yes, but no matter how priceless it is, it cannot buy us all the happiness. It can buy me all the happiness. You won't understand. How can anything be more beautiful than this? The queen did not agree, but she knew there was no point with arguing with her husband. That afternoon, King Midas continues counting his gold and suddenly... Oh heaven! Who are you? Why are you here? I am the god Dionysius Midas. How do you know my name? Are you here to rob my gold? Ha ha ha! What would I do with gold? It is waste to me. I am come here to grant you any wish you have. Tell me, what do you want? King Midas could not believe his ear. He can ask for anything. He knew that
what he wanted.
I want a ship full of gold. No, a house full of gold. No, even that's not enough. I know what could make me happy. Give me a golden touch. I wish whatever I touch should turn into pure gold.
I will grant your wish as promised. As soon as the sun rises, tomorrow anything you will touch will turn into pure gold. But remember, King, it will not make you happy. Gold cannot buy all the happiness.
God Dionysius placed his hand on the king's head and chants,
King Midas, whose heart is cold, I hereby grant the limitless gold.
God Dionysius snaps his fingers and vanishes.
Ha ha ha! How could someone like him understand the value of gold? I will be the richest and happiest man on the earth. Ha 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 ha!
King Midas could not sleep that night. He was waiting for the morning to come. The next morning, King Midas was excited to try his golden touch.
How comfortable it would be to sleep on a bed made up of gold. Who in the world has a fortune like that?
King Midas then went on to touch everything he could find.
I don't have to hide my gold anymore. Let's go out and make the whole place shine. Let's try. Gold? It turned into gold. Let's touch the walls. Let's touch the walls. Again it's gold. Wow, gold. I will be the richest man who ever lived.
I can turn the plate to gold. I can turn the knife to gold. I can turn the fork to gold. I want to turn my world to gold. I want more. Give me more. Why just have one when I can have four? I can turn the glass to gold. I can turn the cup to gold. I can turn the bowl to gold. I want to turn my world to gold. I want more. Give me more. Why just have one when I can have four? And more.
races to the garden to find his daughter. Marigold, Marigold, where are you?
Father, come see my lovely roses. They are so red and the scent is glorious.
But I have a surprise for you.
What could possibly make them more beautiful?
As Marigold watches Midas, touches a rose bush and it immediately turns to gold. Now see how beautiful your roses are.
Father, how could you? They are horrible. They have lost their color. They smell like metal and the petals are so hard.
But now they are gold. They are worth a fortune.
My roses are ruined. Please don't touch another flower.
Go, call my servants. I need to speak to them immediately.
Lady Curry, please come quickly.
See my golden touch.
Majesty, can this be real?
This is only the beginning. There is plenty to come. I wish to hold up a banquet in honor of my new power.
Majesty, shall we invite the lords and ladies of the other kingdom?
Yes, at once.
Where do you think? That night, the lords and ladies of ancient Godia gathered at the castle of King Midas.
Welcome, welcome to my golden kingdom. Hello,
King Midas!
Hello, how are you all?
We are fine!
I am hungry now. Let me eat something first. Please take your seats.
Lady Curry, please come here. My lady, would you have some pigeon pie? No, it's too fatty. Do you have any low-fat roasted peacock? There are fruits, fish, meat, and all kinds of delicacy on the table.
Wow, what a feast. This looks delicious.
Yes, it looks delicious.
Lady Curry, please get me some water. No, no, where is the water? I am thirsty. What is all this?
Midas was now shocked and scared. He now slowly started touching everything on the table and watched in horror as turned into hard gold.
What will I eat now? I am thirsty. What will I drink? I cannot eat or drink gold. Will the richest king on the earth die of hunger?
He sat there looking at the food which now was of no use to him. Just then his daughter came running from the garden, and before King Midas would think, she became a golden statue.
Father! Father!
No, Marigold, don't touch me! No, Marigold! Oh, 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 oh. Oh no, what have I done? How could this even make me happy? Marigold, my little beautiful sparkle, say something.
Just please, before the king murders, he just one of us.
No, don't leave me, Lady Kani.
Just be wise to me.
All of our possessions and money, wealth and greed. Here's a sorry story, you'll be wise to read. All of our possessions and money, wealth and greed. A lesson that we all can learn if riches fill your dreams. Having lots of money isn't always what it seems. Remember what you're told. All that glitters isn't gold. Just remember what you're told. All that glitters isn't gold. Here's a sorry story you'll be wise to read. All of our possessions and money, wealth and greed. A lesson that we all can learn if riches fill your dreams. Having lots of money isn't always what it seems.
Dionysius, how wrong I was. This blessing is a curse. Oh God, have pity on me.
Oh King Midas, what is the matter? Why do you look so sad? It's just been a few hours for a special gift. Do you need another boon?
Oh God, I beg for your forgiveness.
What will happen if I will show you mercy?
I will open my treasure room and share it with the poor. What will I do without my daughter again? What do I do with food made of gold? I cannot eat it. What do I do of water made of gold? I cannot drink it. My real boon was my daughter, and now she doesn't speak. Please God, take away my entire gold. Take away everything, but give me my marigold back. I understand gold cannot buy all the happiness.
Oh King Midas, you have learned a very valuable lesson. Thus away, what really matters is the love and affection those around us. It never dies. Take this. This pot is filled with magical water. Sprinkle a few drops of this on everything that has turned into gold. The water will reverse the effect of a golden touch.
Thank you, Lord.
God bless you, my child.
Kiss back. The king races back to the castle. The king ran to his daughter and sprinkled a few drops of the magical water on her. Father, what happened here?
You are so
More than gold?
yes, more than gold.
From that day, the king lived happily in his kingdom.
I have learned that love is what makes a person rich, not gold.
Ladies and gentlemen, the show is not yet over. We, the students of grade 3-1, are coming up with a foot-stepping dance. So hold and sit back and enjoy.
Feel the magic in the air. I live in my all air. Ale, ale, ale. Feel the magic in the air. I live
Comme d'habitude on est calé, comme toujours ça va aller. On se met l'ambiance à gogo, tous ensemble on fait le show.
On t'invite à la magie, y a pas de raccourci. Oublie tes soucis, tu viens faire la folie.
On t'invite à la magie, y a pas de raccourci.
Oublie tes soucis. Oh, 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 oh.
Come on, parents, put your hands together. Let the clap be louder.
C'est pas seulement pour les bobos, nous on vient dans nos mambo. Mon ami si tu as le niveau, rejoins-nous pour t'enjailler.
On t'invite à la magie, y a pas de raccourci. Oublie tes soucis, et viens faire la folie.
On t'invite à la magie, y a pas de raccourci.
Oublie tes soucis. Oh, 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 oh.
Magic System.
Toujours nous.
Ouais, ça change pas.
Ah ouais.
Shawty avec Red One. Est-ce que ça marche?
Ça marche pas.
On vient du ghetto pour aller plus haut. Avec les magiciens, c'est Baby Coco. On vient du ghetto pour aller plus haut. Avec les magiciens. Oh, oh, oh.
Come on, parents, let the clap be louder.
Yes, so parents, what do you all have to say? Wasn't that a breathtaking performance? I'm sure you all must have enjoyed this fascinating musical drama. So please once again put your hands together for our lovely and hardworking students. Students, your performance was mind-blowing. Now I request our gorgeous Principal Ma'am Esther Bansal to please express her views.
And Teacher Poonam, let me give you a correction. Today you are gorgeous and your children are gorgeous.
Thank you, ma'am.
Dear audience, it is rightly said, the earth has everything to give us to satisfy our needs and not our greed. So this lesson and this moral was beautifully brought up today on stage by the students and the teacher of grade 3-1. Before I say anything else, let us encourage and congratulate them with a huge, huge, huge round of applause. Teacher Poonam, this year again you have created magic. There was magic in the air, there was magic on stage, there was magic in each and every act that we have witnessed today.
Thank you.
The dialogues, the way you have visualized it, the way it was executed, hats off to all the hard work that is done by your magical children and you. I really, really appreciate all the efforts that you have taken with the children over the past few days. Tirelessly, I have seen you working with them, correcting them, encouraging them so many times to never stop giving hope. Because I agree, you all had little time to practice, and really, it is amazing to witness such a beautiful, beautiful story. Children, I would like to congratulate each one of you. Thank you, and also praise your efforts. You were truly brilliant, and as it was said in the beginning, it was mesmerizing, it was hypnotizing.
Say
And
thank you, ma'am.
I really want to thank you for helping us enjoy this evening of entertainment. Now, this is what I call is a wholesome package of entertainment. What do you say, parents? So, I would like to thank the entire team that is behind this wonderful performance, the IT department, music, Sir Brightson, the teachers who have coordinated so well with the props. We have seen so many things happening during this play, particularly when one of the kings, when he came down and he went, the curtains closed, it opened, it was really, really wonderful. And believe me, parents, the teachers do not have a practice of this. They have just coordinated all these things today live on stage. So a huge round of applause for the entire team that is backstage. Please come up on stage.
Teachers, please come on the stage. Aunties, Brightson sir.
Everybody
Sandeep.
who has been a part of this amazing, amazing
All the
play.
teachers, please come. Please
Teachers
come on the
requesting
stage.
all of
the
you to come
aunties,
up on stage.
Sandeep Bhaiya, please come.
Requesting the entire staff to please come up on stage because this is our team, and I really, really rejoice and I'm proud of this excellent team that we have. Teamwork makes the dream work. So let's all applaud for them and for the efforts that they take every year for each play that we witness. Please come, teachers, please come. Parents, I am really very thankful to you from the core of my heart. I know it takes a lot of effort from your end for all the support and all the guidance that you have given. You have shown your trust in the teacher. You have come to the school with your children, patiently waited till they finished their practices. You have helped with the props. So I really want to thank you so much from the depth of my heart on behalf of the entire school. Thank you so much, everyone who is associated. I would like to thank all our guests who have taken time out to come and be present with us and witness this wonderful performance today. I would like even you all to join in for the photograph. Please come.
Please, Pushkar's Papa, please take group photograph. Take a group photo. Please come, teachers. Mr. and Mrs. C, please. Come.
सॉरी टू से आय डिस्टर्ब यू मी मराठीमध्ये बोलतो. ॲक्च्युली लहान मुलांनी खूप चांगल्या प्रकारे ॲक्ट केला, त्यांच्याबद्दल धन्यवाद. पण मी इथे एकच सांगू शकतो, संघटन टीमवर्कचं याच्यापेक्षा दुसरं चांगलं कुठलं उदाहरण असणार नाही. आपण नेहमी ॲक्टिंग करताना, मी थोडा ॲक्टिंगशी रिलेटेड असल्यामुळे जे स्टेजवर असतो आपण त्यांनाच धन्यवाद देतो, पण त्याच्यापेक्षा बॅकस्टेजला जे टीचर्स आणि सगळ्यांनी जी मेहनत घेतली ती कधी दिसत नाही, ती खूप हेल्पफुल आणि महत्त्वाची असते. मी पूनम टीचर मॅम सगळ्या हेड मॅम वगैरे सगळ्यांना धन्यवाद देतो. सगळ्या पॅरेंटच्या वतीने खूप चांगला ॲक्ट केला. थँक्यू सो मच.
Thank you, sir, so much.
Leave from here this evening. I remember our former manager, Reverend Father Diane Lobo. Last year he was there with us when grade 3 had put up this performance, and he had really appreciated Teacher Poonam. And today I can only say one thing, Teacher Poonam. Father is watching you from above and he is showering his blessings and applause on you. So thank you once again for everything that you have done today. All that glitters is not gold, but definitely today each and every child and the teachers are nothing short of gold, pure gold, 24 carats.
To offer my sincere thanks to our captain of our ship, Ma'am Esther Bansod, who is always there whenever we need her guidance and support. Thank you, ma'am, so much. Without you, I don't think I would have come to this level, ma'am. Thank you so much for supporting every time to us. Thank you. I would also like to thank in a special way all the teachers who were backstage, helping me in and out. It is such a hard work, parents, to immediately set up the stage the way I want. Fabulous. They have done a wonderful job. Please give the teachers a round of applause. Goes to Ma'am Esther Bansod, Principal Ma'am. And I want to thank you, ma'am, in a small token of appreciation. Now I request Avanti to please present bouquet to ma'am. Pushkar, Papa, take photograph, please. My heartfelt thanks also goes out to our dear parent, Mr. Rahul Berde, for really helping me and going out of the way to make this event successful. I now request Ma'am Esther Bansod to give Mr. Rahul Berde a token of appreciation. Parents and dignitaries, I am also thankful. And you have witnessed the beautiful, fascinating dance. How was it, parents? Something unique? So we have our beautiful choreographers who have worked day and night, I must say, 24/7. They were there with me. Mr. Rahul and Atish, please come on the stage. Where are you all? Request all the students, those who are saying the vote of thanks, because all have worked very hard, and I would like to give them from the bottom of my heart. I want to thank each and every one, even the parents. I know you all have worked very hard. You all used to come late in the afternoon to pick up your children. All the teachers, those who have worked very hard, I am really very thankful from the bottom of my heart. Everyone here, all the guests, those who have come. And really sorry, Teacher Angela, I have forgotten to welcome you because I have not seen you. So I welcome you on behalf of class 3-1. All the students, those who are saying vote of thanks, please come up.
Vote of thanks to all those who have contributed in one way or our evening entertainment is make resounding success.
First and foremost, I am grateful to our manager, Reverend Father Aaron Fernandez, SJ, for his esteemed presence and being a silent and strong source of encouragement. My heartfelt gratitude goes out to our headmistress, Ma'am Esther Bansod, for her constant support in all our activities and for being great source of encouragement.
A big thank you to our honorable guest, Father Vinay and Father Bosco, for taking the time out from their busy schedule. to be present with us this evening. Thank you, Father.
I like to extend my gratitude to our special guest, Teacher Sharon Mosquita, Teacher Angela Moses, and Teacher Gita Rani Pillai. Thank you, teachers. Thank you, teachers.
With a deep sense of appreciation, I wish to thank Sir Brightson for his mesmerizing music and training us to sing melodiously for our drama fest. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
And a very warm heartfelt appreciation goes but to our mummies and daddies for taking the trouble to come for this program and for rendering their moral support to their loved ones on the stage. Thank you, mummies and daddies.
I like to thank Sir John for the wonderful lightning and sounds effects this evening, and our computer department teacher Jainam and teacher Jayashri for their wonderful PPT. On a very special day, I wish to thank teacher Snehal for contributing her time and sourcing a beautiful props for our drama. Thank you, teacher Snehal.
How can we forget our wonderful choreographer Rahul Bhaiya and Atesh Bhaiya for his dedication and hard working is teaching students lovely dance for this play.
Thank you, Rahul Bhaiya. And Atesh Bhaiya. Last but not the least, special thanks to our hard-working, working hands behind the scenes, our uncle and aunties for their hard work.
Now I request all the uncles and aunties to please come on the stage. Sandeep Bhaiya. Parents, actually, this staff who works behind the scene is a backbone. Without them, we are helpless. And without them, I would have not done any magic till date. So I now want to give them a token of appreciation to everyone. Now parents, the program is come to an end. The magical touch, now you will get at home. Now you can collect your awards, your children from the